Well, we're going to find out how these bulbs work. 360 LEDs. Tiny things, as you can see by my finger. I don't have like mammoth fingers. These are decent size. All this stuff is going to go in that hole. It's going to be super tight. So this is the stock bulb. Give you an idea. So stock bulb, stock caps. These stock caps will actually work with them. This is the stock bulb. That's the aftermarket. Right, so put it like that. So it sticks out further, but I have these caps I bought just in case, and I'm not gonna need them. So it's kind of nice. Okay, I got it all in there. It took me about, I don't know, 2 minutes. It's all in there. You can see it sitting in there, and then it's hard to show it, but the little, I don't know if it's a ballast or what it is in there as well. Probably something to increase the energy or something. I have no idea. Anyway, these are 130 watt LEDs. So guys, I got them all back in there. You can see it's a nice clean installation. I got those in there as well. I ended up, doing that side as well, so I had to take the air box out of it and everything. So, but yeah, highly recommend these things. Real quick on this side, oil filter wrench. I haven't used this thing in years because most of mine just come off by hand, but this thing actually works really well for getting that one out. That one, I ended up putting on the O-ring seal a little bit of the dielectric grease just on the seal as well, just so that they slide in and out a little bit easier. But these are what I bought. I don't know if they're good or not, guys. I mean, I like the idea that they're 360 degree and blah, blah, blah. And the price was, decent. It wasn't cheap. It wasn't like stupid, but that's the one I bought there. Try to get in focus. That's the one I bought right there. So anyway, they fit with the stock caps. So give them a try. Yeah, so whenever you see a video, somebody showing you how bright their headlights are, it's hard to tell, right? But I mean, of course it blows my camera out, but those are considerably brighter. Excuse me, I have it on my hoist in my garage, and so it's really close to the wall with my snowblower, but yeah, considerably brighter than stock. So that should work.